In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report on first reply time in Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is head over to the Zendesk website. Once you're there, sign in to your dashboard using your secure credentials. This is where all the magic begins, so make sure you have everything you need ready to go. Now that you're signed in, look for the square icon on the main interface. This icon opens up the Options menu where you'll find different functionalities of Zendesk. Go ahead and click on that icon, and from the drop-down options that appear, you'll want to choose Explore. This is where you can access all the analytics and insights that you need, which will be really helpful as we dive deeper into the reporting process. Once you're in Explore, it's time to create a new report. To do that, find and click on the report icon. This should be fairly easy to spot. Now from the options that appear, select New Report. This is your gateway to building the report you need. Now that you're in the New Report menu, you'll need to select the appropriate dataset. Look for the option labeled Support and click on that. After you've clicked on Support, you'll see another option that says Support Tickets. Click on that one before hitting Start Report. This will allow you to pull in all the ticket-related data that you need for analyzing first reply time. All right, now we're getting into the nitty-gritty. You're going to want to navigate to the Metrics section of the reporting interface. Once you're there, click on Add to bring up a new selection menu. Here's where you should search for the term First Reply. When you do this, you should see an option that says First Reply Time Min in the drop-down list. Go ahead and select that option. After you've added the metric, the next step is to apply it to your report. Click on Apply to set the criteria for your report. This step is crucial as it ensures your report will accurately reflect the data you're looking for. Finally, you don't want to lose all this hard work you've put into creating your report. So make sure to click on Save to store this tracking dashboard. Saving it allows you to easily access and review it for future evaluations to see how your team's response times are improving or where you may need to enhance your processes. And there you have it. You now know how to report on first reply time in Zendesk. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but with practice, you'll find it's a very manageable process. Remember, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it so you can stay up